Running out of space or just want to clean up your Google TV? Sometimes too many unused apps or automatic updates filling your storage can slow things down. Here's how to easily delete apps from your Google TV. Method 1. Using your settings. First up, go to your Google TV home menu, navigate to the settings gear icon using your remote. In settings, choose apps. Now see all apps. This will show you all your installed apps. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to delete. Here you will see the uninstall option. Select it using your remote and confirm your choice. This is the basic way to delete an app, but there's another simpler way for you if you ever want to try it. Method 2. Delete from home. From your Google TV home menu, go to the app section. Now highlight the app you want to uninstall using your remote. Press and hold the select button on your remote. Now, for some remote, this button is called the OK button. Once you hold the OK button, you will see a quick view tab like this. Select uninstall here and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've now deleted apps from your Google TV and freed up valuable storage space. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks.